Actual damages. Actual damages are the specific financial compensation awarded to a plaintiff to cover proven financial losses. In many jurisdictions across the US, the UK, and Australia, this term is interchangeably called compensatory damages. The fundamental purpose is to restore the injured party to the position they were in before the harm occurred. This remedy is a cornerstone of both tort and contract law. Courts require plaintiffs to provide tangible evidence of their losses, such as medical bills or repair invoices. Actual damages are distinctly different from punitive damages, which aim to punish the wrongdoer. They are also different from statutory damages, which are predetermined by law, regardless of the exact loss. Calculating these damages ensures fairness by directly linking the financial award to the harm suffered. For example, imagine a delivery driver runs a red light and crashes into a parked car. The owner of the parked car sues the driver for negligence. During the trial, the owner presents a mechanic's invoice for $8,000 to repair the vehicle. They also provide a receipt for $500 spent on a rental car. The court awards the plaintiff $8,500 in actual damages. This specific sum perfectly reimburses the owner for the exact out-of-pocket expenses caused by the accident.